Every year, over 3 million people are diagnosed with skin cancer. And while ultraviolet rays are a major cause, they're not the only factor. What's even more alarming is that UV rays are getting stronger each day, bouncing off glass, slipping through clouds, and quietly aging your skin while you simply scroll on your phone by the window. Your skin is fighting a silent battle you can't see, and the most effective shield you have is sunscreen. Without it, those invisible rays slowly damage your skin cell by cell. But UV rays don't just cause cancer, they also bring wrinkles, dark spots, burns, scars, collagen breakdown, and even DNA damage, putting your skin's entire future at risk. That's why sunscreen isn't just another lotion, it's the foundation of every strong skincare routine. So today, we are going to explore the 10 undeniable science-backed benefits of sunscreen and why skipping it could be the single biggest skincare mistake you'll ever make. Number 1, shields you from skin cancer. The sun's ultraviolet radiation damages your skin cells at the DNA level. That's how cancers like melanoma begin. One massive study in Australia proved that people who applied sunscreen every day cut their melanoma risk in half. That's a life or death difference. Sunscreen isn't just preventing a tan, it's protecting your cells from turning dangerous. Number 2, slows down premature aging. Up to 90% of visible skin aging comes from the Sunday ultraviolet rays break down collagen and elastin. Without them, skin sags, lines deepen, and texture changes. Daily sunscreen keeps those proteins alive longer. In fact, people who wear SPF daily look significantly younger than those who don't, even if they use fancy creams. It pauses aging. Number 3, prevents painful sunburns. We all know the feeling. Skin turning red, burning when touched, peeling after a beach trip. But here's the part people forget: one blistering sunburn can double your lifetime risk of melanoma. A sunburn isn't just discomfort, it's proof of deep DNA damage. Sunscreen stops that damage before it happens, letting you enjoy the sun without the pain, the peel, or the long-term risk. Number 4, protects even skin tone. Uneven patches, stubborn marks, hyperpigmentation, all often caused or worsened by UV rays. The sun triggers melanin to overproduce, leaving dark spots that creams and treatments struggle to erase. Sunscreen blocks that trigger at the start. Especially for people dealing with acne scars or melasma, sunscreen is the difference between fading scars or letting them get darker and more permanent. It doesn't just protect your skin, it protects your confidence in the mirror. Number 5, preserves collagen and firmness. Think of collagen as the scaffolding under your skin. It keeps everything lifted. Ultraviolet rays act like a wrecking ball, breaking that support down day after day. When collagen is gone, the skin droops, pores stretch, and wrinkles form faster. Sunscreen slows this destruction. People who use it daily keep stronger collagen levels, meaning their skin stays firmer, smoother, and healthier for years longer. Number 6, works in all weathers, all places. Clouds, they let through 80% of ultraviolet rays. Snow, it reflects them, doubling your exposure. Even sitting near a window, UVA rays sneak in. That's why sunscreen isn't for summer, it's for all 365 days of the year, indoors and out. Number 7, protects every skin tone. There's a myth that darker skin doesn't need sunscreen. True, melanin offers some protection, but not enough. People with deeper tones still face sun damage, dark spots, and cancers often caught late. Sunscreen is universal. Every shade, every background, every skin. Number 8, stops sunspots and freckles from multiplying. Freckles may look fun, but clusters of them, or worse, sunspots, are signs of ultraviolet light repeatedly damaging your skin. Over time, these marks grow, darken, and merge into patches that are hard to fade. Research shows people who wear sunscreen every day develop 40% fewer sunspots than those who don't. So SPF isn't just prevention, it's protection against the long-term map of spots your skin might otherwise carry. Number 9, guards your DNA. Deep inside each skin cell is DNA, the blueprint of your health. Ultraviolet radiation mutates that blueprint, and too many mutations cause normal cells to grow uncontrollably. That's how skin cancer starts. Sunscreen creates a protective filter that absorbs or reflects the radiation before it reaches your DNA. Every time you apply it, you're literally defending your body's blueprint from being rewritten by the sun. Number 10, the foundation of skincare. You can spend hundreds on serums, retinols, and facials, but if you skip sunscreen, all of it is wasted. Why? Because ultraviolet light undoes everything. That vitamin C serum fighting pigmentation, useless if UV keeps triggering new spots. Dermatologists agree sunscreen is the base, the first step, the product that makes every other step worth it. Without it, skincare is like building on sand. With it, everything finally works.